Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Phrase number 1. Can I have? Can I have is used to politely ask for something. When you want food or a drink, you can say, "Can I have?" For example, "Can I have a sandwich, please?" Can I have a sandwich, please? Another example, "Can I have a glass of water, please?" Can I have a glass of water, please? Phrase number 2. I would like. I would like is a polite way to order food or drinks. It is similar to can I have, but a little more formal. For example, I would like a cup of coffee. I would like a cup of coffee. Another example, I would like a bowl of soup. I would like a bowl of soup. Phrase number 3. Could you bring me? Could you bring me is used to ask a waiter or waitress to bring something to your table. For example, could you bring me the menu, please? Could you bring me the menu, please? Another example, could you bring me some napkins, please? Could you bring me some napkins, please? Phrase number 4. I'm ready to order. I'm ready to order is used when you have decided what to eat and want the waiter to take your order. For example, excuse me, I'm ready to order. Excuse me, I'm ready to order. Another example, we're ready to order now. We're ready to order now. Phrase number 5. Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Is used to ask for the check at the end of your meal. For example, can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Another example, could we get the bill, please? Could we get the bill, please? Phrase number 6. Do you have? Do you have is used to ask if the restaurant has a specific food or drink. For example, do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? Another example, do you have gluten-free bread? Do you have gluten-free bread? Phrase number 7. I'll have. I'll have is used to tell the waiter what you want. For example, I'll have a cheeseburger and fries. I'll have a cheeseburger and fries. Another example, I'll have a salad and juice. I'll have a salad and juice. Phrase number 8. Can you recommend something? Can you recommend something is used to ask the waiter for suggestions. For example, can you recommend something for dessert? Can you recommend something for dessert? Another example,
Can you recommend a drink? Can you recommend a drink? Phrase number 9. Is this spicy? Is this spicy is used to ask if the food is hot or spicy before ordering. For example, is this spicy? I don't like very hot food. Is this spicy? I don't like very hot food. Another example. Is this dish very spicy? I prefer mild food. Is this dish very spicy? I prefer mild food. Phrase number 10. Can I have it to go? Can I have it to go is used when you want to take your food home instead of eating at the restaurant. For example, can I have my pizza to go, please? Can I have my pizza to go, please? Another example. Can I have my sandwich to go, please? Can I have my sandwich to go, please?